Hello everyone, welcome back to Techavro. In this video, I will show you how to create flashing lights effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. At first, open your project. Now go to Effect panel on the right. In the search bar, type strobe light. You will find under Video Effect. Now drag and drop that effect onto your clip. Open the Effect Control panel. Now you will see Survival Settings. Here is how to set them for clean flashing effect. Strobe duration 0.1 second, strobe period 0.2 second, strobe color white, blend with original. At last, make layer transparent is checked. Now hit play and your flash will on and off automatically. That's it, you have just created a professional flashing light effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you all like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.